Hey folks, it's Russ. Today's Saturday, January 10th, 2026. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about my 3-step system to help you build and protect your wealth in 2026. But before I get started, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 20 years now, full-time since 2018, and it's my true passion to help others generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So, what is my 3-step system? Step number 1 is you want to get your free silver bar. All right, get a free silver bar. There's no gimmicks, no strings attached, nothing like that. You simply, I'll leave links down below. You go to freesilverbar.com and get your free silver bar. You pay a nominal shipping fee. It's $2.47. But this gives you your own assets immediately. All right, gives you a silver bar immediately, which will help you jumpstart your silver stacking journey, okay? Because that's what we're doing in 2026. We're stacking silver. And there's lots of reasons why we're doing this, but the biggest reason is to protect. This is how you protect your wealth, right? You're exchanging your fiat currency backed by nothing for something that's tangible, that has real value. It's a hedge against inflation. It protects your purchasing power, and it's something that's going to continue to go up in value over time. All right, so step number 1 is to get your free silver bar. Step number 2 is to join QuickSilver as a wealth ambassador. Now, what is QuickSilver? QuickSilver is the company that I've been with now since December of 2024, and it's a precious metals company that's been around since 2019. And what makes it different from all the other places online is that you can set up what they call an auto wealth delivery, okay? And that means simply that you have silver sent to your doorstep every month on autopilot, so you don't even have to think about it, right? You're stacking metals or precious metals on autopilot. This is where, you know, it's kind of like I always say, having money taken out of your paycheck to go into a health savings account at your job, or an IRA account, or, you know, you just set it and forget it. You don't even have to think about it. So you're stacking silver on autopilot. All right, you're getting a free bar of silver to jumpstart your silver stacking journey. You're stacking precious metals on autopilot, and they have an optional income opportunity attached to it as well. What they do is you can become when you become a wealth ambassador, you'll have the potential to earn up to 7 different ways by sharing QuickSilver with other people, right? Just one of the ways, you can earn up to $25,000 a month. Now, I can't guarantee you'll make any money. It's totally dependent on your work ethic. It's going to take work to build a business, because that's what you're going to be doing. You're going to be owning your own precious metals business. So you're going to have to show up every day, take massive action, and stay consistent. But you can build a monthly residual income with QuickSilver. Okay, so now you're building a monthly residual income. So you're building your income, you're stacking precious metals, you're protecting your wealth, right? But you have to have a long-term mindset with that as well. You know, just know that, you know, one piece of silver isn't going to make you rich overnight. You have to think long-term and hold on to this. Like, I'm doing this for my future grandchildren, right? And my family. So if something happens to me, or when I'm not here anymore, I know that my wife will be taken care of. I know that our daughters will be taken care of. I know that our future grandkids will be taken care of. That's why I'm doing this. So you have to have that long-term mindset to it. And then step number 3 is join our Silver Freedom Alliance Facebook group. All right, this is a group of like-minded people who are into precious metals and stacking silver. We're going to have trainings in this group. It's a brand new group I started. I think we have about 56 members at the time of this recording. But we're going to do trainings in there. We're going to have education. It's just going to be a community for support and accountability, and it's going to help you stay consistent with building your precious metals business. Okay? So if this sounds like something you're interested in, you can go to joinruss.com and you can get my free Silver Freedom Alliance Quick Start Guide to help you get going. All right, joinruss.com. Right when you get on there, you'll see you can download. It's a PDF, free PDF. It's my Silver Freedom Alliance Quick Start Guide. That'll walk you through each of the steps that I just mentioned, and you can reach out to me with any questions. But that's what it is. You know, grab a free piece of silver to help kickstart your silver stacking journey. Join QuickSilver as a wealth ambassador. It's really affordable. And there's something there for everybody's budget, so that you're stacking silver on autopilot, and you have the chance to build a monthly residual income by sharing it with other people. Because eventually, when you start doing that, like I get free silver now because I earn commissions, and I use my commissions to buy more silver, right? So I'm literally getting free silver on autopilot. All right. And that's what you have the potential to do if you take it serious. Again, I can't guarantee anything, but if you take it serious and show up every day and take action, you can do the same thing, right? I'm nobody special. I'm just somebody who shows up every day and takes action and stays consistent. And then the third thing you want to do is join our Silver Freedom Alliance Facebook group, okay? All of these 3 steps will be on the PDF that you can download at joinruss.com. So go there, check it out, reach out to me if you have any questions, and I hope to see you on the inside. But I hope you have a great rest of your day. I appreciate you all taking the time to watch this. I'm here. I'm going to pack up a couple orders, head to the post office to send out more letters. And then Tina and I, we're going to go out to lunch and just enjoy the rest of our day. And I hope you do too. So I appreciate each and every one of you. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.